Hi, my name's George Musa. I'm President and CEO of Ambella Home Collection. Today, we're going to take you on a factory tour of our new production facility here in Archdale, North Carolina. You're going to be excited at what you see and how it's made. Part of the design process starts in selecting the right fabrics, knowing what our customers want and expect. Here at Ambella, we make the majority of our frames using only the best materials. We do this because it allows us to customize our frames where possible. Customers love this. We stock the parts and frames to allow for a faster delivery time. It's all about delivery in these times. Expert finishers take the frame and add whatever color the customer wants. At Ambella, we offer standard and custom colors, offering a great selection and options for the customer. Pattern making is extremely important to ensure each frame looks exactly the same as the one before. Our fabrics are cut one at a time by expert cutters. Line matching is a specialty of Ambella and one of the things we are known for. We stock the fabrics to ensure a fast turnaround time for all of our customers. All of our frames are true 8-way hand tied. We skimp on nothing, using only the best springs, twine, and other materials. Our upholsterers are true artisans and take great pride in their work. Our production is not focused on mass production, but true quality. Make it right the first time, avoid problems, and get repeat business. Our customers are the best judge of what we are doing. Our new facility is built for growth, which allows us to put the attention to detail that makes us successful. Make no mistake, we know we have to do it right. We want to serve you and your customers not just one time, but for life. We want to be your partner and you to be part of the Ambella family. That concludes our factory tour. I want to thank you for your time today, and I want you to know that everyone here at Ambella takes great pride in everything they do. All of our employees are very excited over what we're doing and the growth, which is mainly due because of you. We appreciate your business, we thank you for your business, and we hope to see you again in the future. Thank you very much.